So I am purposefully disassembling the TV into the plastic components, the glass, and the circuit board, and whatever else is inside the TV. This is the second one I've done, so for an accurate timing perspective, I don't have a lot of experience. So I'm going to go ahead and start right now. There's typically between 4 and about 10 screws holding these TVs together, holding the plastic outer casings together. This is maybe a 24-inch television. It might be a little bit small for an average, but it's should be about right. So as you can see here, the back of the TV is off. There's the main screen and funnel, the circuit board back here, and then this is the
cathode ray.
So I'm just going to cut the wires off of the circuit board. And it should slide out. Circuit board off. And then here on the screen, it looks like there are 4 small little bolts here that I need to take off. I don't know if Ellie, you can see them or not. A socket would be much more appropriate tool for this, but I don't believe we have one small enough. So
Would you say this is an average size television compared to what's in the pile?
I might be a little bit on the small side, but I would not think that they would be any different. There's still going to be 4 bolts holding the TV screen, the glass to the plastic shell. The number of screws holding the back of the TV seems to vary with size, but this is pretty standard television design from what we can see around site and from past childhood TV repair sessions. So here's 3 of them. Again, a socket set will make things much easier. That unplugs. That's another small circuit board. And let's see here. That is the plastic. There's just a small speaker inside. And this is the glass television in separate pieces. So I would say this cathode is glued down, it seems like. You may be able to twist and break it off, but I don't have leather gloves, so I don't really want to do that right now. So that is the TV and completely disassembled.
Thanks.